If you have some old kinky hair, a hair tie and a pair of scissors, then you are good to go. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a beautiful afro bun using an old kinky extension. This is perfect for short hair, super easy and budget friendly. So if you have some old extensions lying around, don't throw them away. Let's put them into good use. Now the first step is preparing the kinky extension. This is an old extension I had, but instead of throwing it away, I am revamping it for this bun. If your extension looks rough like mine, you can fluff it out with your fingers to bring it back to life. Kindly note that I've used this extension for like 3 times. I used it for sleek afro gel, like I used it for a sleek hairstyle, so it's kind of rough. I had to fluff it out with my fingers. Kindly do that to yours. And also note that you can also use a new kinky hair. It mustn't be an old kinky hair. All right. You can also trim any tangled ends for a neater look. Once it's ready, I'll take a hair tie and secure the extension into a bun shape, making it look full and natural. Now for the purpose of this extension, I had to get this on this tripod. I could do this without a tripod on my own, but I wanted to teach you guys and I didn't have a manicure, okay, or a dummy head, so I had to use this so that I will illustrate it better. Okay, what you have to do is simple. You guys know how we attach extensions, okay, to a hair tie. So what we are doing is getting it bit by bit. Those hair that you fluffed out, you're going to be getting it bit by bit. And I started working. If you notice from the beginning of the video, I did not fluff out all the hair at once so that I will not waste my extension, and I kind of divided this into my preferred length. So kindly note that you can do this according to your preferred length. Now what I'm doing is just arranging it. Like I said, there is no dummy head, so I'm just using a wool extension to just secure it round so that you guys will see the view. I did this off camera and this is how it's looking. I'm just going to go ahead and pick it out, use my comb to comb it out, then use my scissors to trim down the ends so that it looks very neat and beautiful. While we are doing that, I also want to mention that you can use other hair extensions for this. You can use your normal braiding hair and you can also use your Brazilian wool. I have a video on how to turn Brazilian wool to kinky extension. I'm going to be linking it up here so that you can go and see it after this video. So now we are done with this. I'm just going to go ahead to prep my hair for this. Guys, kindly know that my hair is quite long and I can actually achieve this bun hairstyle with my hair, but for the sake of girlies with short hair, that's why I'm making this tutorial. Like I always say, I always create hairstyles for every kind of afro girly to do. So if you have short hair, you have no problem. There is also a content for you. There's also something for you. Kindly note that if you have long hair, you don't necessarily need this, except if your hair is not in type 4, maybe your hair is type 3 or so, then you can actually do this hairstyle, then you can actually do this tutorial. Otherwise you may not need it if your hair is long or medium length like mine, except if your hair is short, then you can make this extension for short hair girlies. My hair is clean and moisturized. If your hair feels dry, kindly add a leave-in conditioner or some shea butters to keep it soft and manageable. Next, I'll be brushing my hair upward to create a smooth base for the bun. You can use a styling gel or edge control to give your hair a sleek finish. I'm using the Eco Styling Gel. Yes, I'm out of edge control, so I just have to manage the styling gel. And guys, my hair was quite tough, so I couldn't really get the gel very well, but I still managed to get it okay to do this look. I know that my hair is quite long, so I couldn't get a small bun. I got a big bun, okay. But if your hair is short, you're not going to get that kind of bun. You're going to get a very small bun that when you fix in your DIY bun, it's going to be very beautiful. Once my hair is smooth, I'll gather it into a small puff at the center of my head, like I said, using an elastic band or a shoelace. I use the shoelace actually. Whichever one works for you, then you can use it. Now I'm just doing the finishing touches by brushing it, and that is our DIY hair. Now I'll place the Kinky extension over my natural puff and secure it using bobby pins or an extra hairband. I didn't use a bobby pin for this hairstyle, but I use an extra hairband to get it in and tight, very secured. I'm carefully blending it with my natural hair so it looks seamless. You can shape and adjust the bun to your preferred size and volume. And also, if you're not okay with the volume of this hair, you can also add when you are making yours. Okay, when you are making yours, you can also add so that it will be very full. I didn't want a full stuff, okay, because I mean it's a tutorial and I didn't want to go through all the heat and the after effects, okay. But if you want yours to be very full, just keep adding extension, but make sure you leave out a small space. Yeah, make sure you leave out a small space that you're going to be using to hold the hair. To complete this look, I'm laying my edges using the gel. Like I said, I'm out of edge control. This step is actually optional. You do not actually need a gel to do this. It's optional if you want to do it. If you don't want to do it, like I always say on this channel, using gels are not compulsory, so don't force yourself, okay. But it's actually nice because it gives the hairstyle a polished and beautiful look. And that's it, a simple stylish Afro bun using an old Kinky extension, perfect for any occasion. You guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also share this video to many hair girlies that you want to see this video, and make sure they get to see this video, okay. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this hairstyle, and also let me know in the comment section which hairstyle you want me to be trying next. I will see you in my next video. Ciao.